Hey guys, Enderman Boss 29, Capital here. The blizzard, the second blizzard has started. Bo, isn't that right? He's wagging his tail for yes. Here, Dejan playing the piano. Let's go out and explore. Let's put my hood on real quick. It is pretty cold. This chilly weather. Right now, the front porch isn't enough. Or it's enough to slide on, that's about it. And the grass is pretty darn wet too. Or not wet, but it's cold out here. I'm in shorts. Of course it's gonna be cold. I don't know why I'm going away from the light. I need that. Comment in the comment box below if you want me to do the snow challenge. I'll do it when it gets deeper though, because that would be just wimpy if I did it now. With like nothing. All the sleds over there. So yeah. Whew. The sky is so bright. What are shorts? Come on, man. It's not even up to snow or sled yet. We're supposed to get like 7 to 11 inches, probably even more. That's what they're saying. It's supposed to get really. See, like this was like ice from like the last blizzard. Hadn't gone away. It was from that igloo. I mean, we knocked over the igloo and some of it was right there. I can barely talk. Is Maddie still out here? Maddie! Maddie! Oh, she is. She needs to come in. Gosh. Cruel to our dogs. So the wind blew our door open today. And the dogs got out and they were out for like 2 seconds because they came right back in if you told me to. And then my neighbor had to be, the neighbor that hates us has to be walking, or not, had to be driving around. And so she saw the dogs out and then came back in. She called animal control for the dogs being out for 2 seconds. The animal control came and said, she said that they charge, our dogs charged them. Oh, Maddie's in there. Okay, good. That my dogs charged them, which is definitely not true. So it doesn't something have to do it. And so yeah, the animal control had to come and didn't get charged or anything. They left us with a warning, even though we've already had a warning. Dude, it's freezing cold. Why am I still out here? Just showing y'all the blizzard. My phone's more freezing than I am. Yeah. It got deeper already. Yeah. Moonwalking. No. Snow's on my screen and everything. But yeah, they called the neighbors and everything, and or animal control and everything, and yeah, so we hate those neighbors over there. The husband's okay, but the wife over there, Debbie, ugh, she's a pain in the, yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna go inside. That's gonna be it for this video. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'll pick you guys up in another video when the snow's a little bit deeper, just to see the progress. But my phone charger is like broken right now. I think my mom's coming home with a new one for me. I gotta pay her back for it, but like it has no cuts or shorts in it. It just won't charge. And the warmth inside. I'm lucky I'm not kicked out right now. But yeah. So what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I would do a time-lapse video of like the snow growing and growing and growing and growing. But, you know, I can't because I don't have a phone charger and my phone's on like 25%. So, yeah. Anyways, I'll put you guys in another video when it's a little bit deeper. So, yeah, this is Enderman Boss 49 with capital E, signing out. See ya.